we are having again a very good question, a real HOT type of a question. Now we have to find the value for x when left hand side is equal to pi by 3. Okay, so now let's start it, and then we are going to check that it is easy or it is difficult, or exactly what are the things to learn in the question. Okay, now putting x is equal to tan theta. Now what we are getting when we are putting x equal to tan theta in the question, we are having 3 sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta minus 4 cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This is equal to pi by 3. Okay, so first step as we can use it, we have used first step because we are aware for these formulas. Okay, now what these formulas goes for? Now number 1 we are using, it is 2 tan theta. Now number 1, 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is equal to what? It is sin 2 theta. Okay, first formula. Second one is for cos inverse. Number 2, now we are having 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and we are knowing that this is cos 2 theta. Okay, you have already gone for these formulas in this session also, in the 11th class also. Last is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, now third is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, and this goes for tan 2 theta. Okay, now putting these values in our question, now the question becomes, now our question becomes 3 sin inverse sin 2 theta minus 4 cos inverse cos 2 theta plus 2 tan inverse tan 2 theta is equal to pi by 3. Now up to here it's okay. Up to here it's okay. We have gone through the question. Now what about the principal values for the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta? Okay, positively we have to check the angles also. Now we are having, if we are going for the formulas part, we are having sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta, and where theta lies, minus pi by 2 is less than is equal to theta is less than is equal to pi by 2. Okay, for this part. For cos inverse, now we are having cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta. Now cos theta, it is from 0 to pi with the close intervals. Okay, so we can write it 0 is less than is equal to theta is less than is equal to pi. Okay, third one was with tan. Now we are having tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta, and for it is for minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 with the open intervals. Okay, so we are having minus pi by 2 is less than theta is less than pi by 2. So now our 2 theta, this 2 theta should fall in each and every interval, then only we can solve the question, we can get the right answer. Otherwise we can just check it, we can just go for the marks only. Okay, not for the clarity, for the basic things. Now for this part we will having 3 cases. Okay, now case 1. We are going for case 1. Now what we have to do for case 1? For case 1, let x is less than 1. We are taking x is less than 1. Now let's check the which angle, where angle should fall. Okay, so we can write it 0 is less than is equal to theta is less than is equal to pi by 4. Okay, why pi by 4, why theta? Because we want 2 theta for it. Okay, now this becomes 0 is less than is equal to 2 theta is less than is equal to pi by 2. Okay, 0 because cos theta is from 0, not from the negative side. Okay, so now this shows that it falls in the first quadrant. Every value, all the 3 values, theta here goes for sine, goes for cos inverse, goes for tan inverse, goes for sine inverse, perfectly alright. Okay, so we are having now, just solving this part, we are having 3 sine inverse sine 2 theta, we are having 3 2 theta minus 4 2 theta plus 2 2 theta is equal to pi by 3. Okay, so it is now 6 theta minus 8 theta plus 4 theta is equal to pi by 3, and now 6 theta plus 4 theta, tan theta minus 8 theta, 2 theta is equal to pi by 3 and theta is equal to pi by 6. Now what the answer is, we have taken x equal to tan theta. Now x is equal to tan pi by 6, and here we get x is equal to tan pi by 6 is what? 1 by root 3. X is equal to 1 by root 3. So case 1 we are getting x is equal to 1 by root 3. Now for case 2, let's move for case 2. Case 2. Now here it was let x is less than 1, here it becomes let x is equal to 1, then theta is equal to pi by 4 or 2 theta is equal to pi by 2. Now in the question what it becomes, 3 2 theta. Okay, we can write it or we can not write it. If suppose we are proceeding 3 2 theta minus 4 with 2 theta plus, what about this part? Now what about this part? Here we are having 2 tan inverse tan pi by 2. So this part, basically this is what? Undefined. This is undefined. So we are having no solution. We are having no solution for this part. Okay, third case. Now we are having case 3. Now case 3 shows what? First one x less than 1, second one x is equal to 1. Now here x is greater than 1. In case 3 we are having x is greater than 1. Now when it is greater than 1, earlier it was in between or including 0 and pi by 4. Now we are having pi by 4 is less than is equal to theta is less than is equal to, now what should I write here? Less than is equal to, earlier it was only pi by 4, now it is pi by 2. Okay, so we are having now pi by, we want 2 theta, sorry. So it becomes pi by 2 is less than is equal to 2 theta is less than is equal to pi. Now what we are having? We are having this part pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi means what? Second quadrant. So we can't move this for the second quadrant, we can't move this for the second quadrant unless and until we are not getting some changes in the questions. Okay, so for this particular part we have to change the parts. Okay, so now we are having, for this part we can write it, from here we are writing 3 sine inverse sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is in the second quadrant, so we will be writing it as sine pi minus 2 theta. Okay, we are converting it, we are going for the first quadrant. Okay, minus For 2 theta is in the second quadrant, this is in the second quadrant, okay, no problem. Minus 4 cos inverse cos 2 theta. For tan now again, for this part, plus 2 tan inverse tan. Now here what should I write? I have to again convert this, okay. So this will become now pi minus 2 theta, it will become negative because it is in here, it is positive, the second quadrant sign is positive, so we have not changed it, but tan is negative, so we can write it tan either minus pi minus 2 theta, this is equal to pi by 3. Okay, so finally we are having, for this basic step now we are having, we can write it 3 sine inverse sine pi minus 2 theta minus 4 cos inverse cos 2 theta plus 2 tan inverse tan 2 theta minus pi is equal to pi by 3. So this is the basic thing. For each and every step we should be very much aware to solve the questions. Okay. So now we are having, through this part, now what we can write it? To this part now we can write it 3 pi minus 2 theta pi minus 2 theta minus 4 with 2 theta plus 2 with 2 theta minus pi, 2 theta minus pi is equal to pi by 3. Now let's solve it. We are having 3 pi minus 6 theta minus 8 theta plus 4 theta minus 2 pi is equal to pi by 3. Now this becomes what? 3 pi minus 2 pi is pi, okay. Pi minus 14 plus 4 minus 10, pi minus tan theta is equal to pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 is equal to tan theta. Now pi minus pi by 3 is what? 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is equal to tan theta, or 2 pi by 3 is equal to tan theta, or theta is equal to, we want theta, or theta is equal to pi upon 15. Here theta is pi upon 15. Now if we are putting x is equal to tan theta, theta is pi upon 15, so value of theta here, value of theta again it lies with less than is equal to pi by 4, sorry, less than pi by 4. Value of theta is less than pi by 4. So in the case 3 we want value, it should be from pi by 4 to pi by 2, but there it is pi by 15. So again case 3 rejected. Okay, so case 1, case 2, so this was the basic things. Case 1 we have gone with case 2, we have gone with case 3. Only perfect answer was for case 1. So we are having right answer here, and this is the answer. X is equal to 1 upon root 3.